Hi, this is Chris from Easy Excel, making Excel work for you. Just a really quick one, and this one is just to show you how to get rid of these grid lines. So you see how it's got the column lines, row lines, what we call grid lines. Okay, so why get rid of them? So let's look at this analysis sheet, for example, and we've got this table here. And in a previous video, we protected this. We didn't want people to, we wanted people to be able to type on it. But so we protected it in a certain way. Now, it might be that you want this to actually look like you can't type on it, like a display tab. So if you were making a dashboard, you might have that table there. Underneath it, you might want a chart and so on. And you want it to look like it's not something people can type in and edit. Whereas at the moment, it looks quite appealing. I could just type in and do what we want in this sheet. So, easy way to do it, just to get rid of the grid lines, okay, is go to the view option at the top, untick grid lines. Now, straight away, what a difference that has made, okay? So even though they can select these, you imagine there's a graph there underneath that table, and maybe you've got a pie chart there, and then it's all white in the background with no grid lines. That just looks like something that you would just look at. It's just something to view. It's not something you can edit. Whereas if it's got all these lines in between, it just looks like any bog standard spreadsheet that people might be inclined to like start trying to do things on. So in my experience, if you just untick grid lines on anything that's for display purposes, it looks a lot more clean and professional for one, and it also doesn't entice people to start typing. And that's how you do it. Go to view and tick or untick grid lines. Easy as that. Now, one point to mention is that that's only done it on this sheet. So on the other one, the grid line's still there, which is fine. If you do want to clean this lookup, so you don't want people to type down here, you want them only to type in the table, then you could do the same on here. View, take grid lines off, and now the only thing that looks like you can type in is this table. So you're going to keep people now adding to just the table and nothing else. And as we know, we can type into just put a random date. Yeah, put that one in. Type at the bottom of the table, and we know that it automatically adopts a new row. All of the options that we've set previously there. There's a drop down that's copied down to the new row. If I type in there, it's got the currency, the formula's copied down, and everything. So that table's still working from the very first video. It's still working, still copying down automatically, and now we've got rid of these grid lines. And I think that looks a lot more professional. I don't know about you. Look at the difference. I think that's much better. So that's how you take the grid lines off. So hope that was useful. Hopefully it has answered just an easy question that you had. And it's just one of them things where, you you just don't know it. If you don't know it, you don't know it. So now you do know it, thanks to me, thanks to Chris at Easy Excel. So reward me with a like, subscribe, keep watching our videos, and hopefully we can keep on helping you along on our journey. All right. Thank you.